Hey, hello, welcome back guys. Welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about an education system in Germany. That is Ausbildung. I don't know how many of you are aware of this system, but this is an excellent system for the young generation. So let's discuss. Ausbildung is a kind of vocational training or apprenticeship which offers each individual to prepare for a skilled occupation. This combines both classroom education as well as the practical work experience. So, this is a very excellent way for the young generation to prepare themselves for a skilled occupation. So, the next question is, who all are eligible for this? Am I eligible to apply? Yeah. So let's check. So the eligibility is, the basic eligibility is, if you have completed +2 from your country and if you're between the age of 18 to 42 with a minimum 45% mark, you can definitely apply. And all you need is the German language. You must have B1, B2 level German language certificate. And you'll have 2 interviews in the process of Ausbildung, but don't get panic about the interview. This is very simple and this is very basic. This is to check the excellence or how much you know the German language, how much you can deal with the German language. It's very basic. If you work hard, you can definitely get it. So the course duration is between 2 to 3.5 years. It depends on the subject you study. For some, it is 2, for some, it is 3. So it depends. Next, we are going to look for the requirements. What do you require to apply? So you will need your +2 certificate. And if you have completed degree or diploma, that certificate, then your German language certificate B1, B2 level, as I said earlier, and your valid passport and a CV. Your total expense will be between 3 to 3.5 lakhs. It includes everything. So we are all international students. So what do we have? What are our benefits? Yeah. So we have the benefits. The first and the main benefit is we don't have to have the blocked account. As some of you may know, for bachelor's and master's, we have to have a blocked account with approximately 10 lakhs. But for Ausbildung, it is 0. You don't have to have any blocked account. So it is the primary benefit of an international student. And as I said, it's like 3 to 3.5 years your overall expense will be to come to Germany for Ausbildung. Then you will be earning as a stipend in the apprenticeship around 1,000 to 1,200 euros. So after your food, accommodation, travel, everything, you will have definitely some amount to save. And after finishing your Ausbildung course, if you wish to study further, if you want to study in a university level, you can definitely continue. So this is all about Ausbildung. Hope you understood something. So if you have any doubts or if you need some support with applying for Ausbildung, please do comment in our comment box or do text us in our Instagram page. We'll definitely get back to you. And if you love to know more about any topic, please do comment. We will definitely do the video. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.